guys, today.
Is this like juicy?
Yes, this is one. But today, my friend gave me all these crazy
กิน
animals.
บะหมี่ด้วยไหมคะบะหมี่ที่มาม่าหนูซื้อมาหนูไม่กินหรอ
ไม่กินตอนเช้านะ
โอเค
Soon in this video, we're also going to be buying exercise. So first, let's make the tanks. So first, DJ, first we're going to go see the frogs, release them into their enclosure.
Okay, now we have to go to a pet workshop.
No, that's my pet room.
สวัสดีค่ะเชิญค่ะ
These frogs
เปิดให้
are
แต่ลูก
giant.
Somebody, stop it.
That's my grandma.
I don't have any.
Oh, these frogs are giant, guys.
Let's go to
Go over here
shop.
and let's go release them into my giant ecosystem. This is what I've been working on, DJ.
Oh, you bought some vegetables.
What vegetables?
You bought vegetables.
Oh, my grandma likes to give
This
this.
is ecosystem you made?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, you used this, right?
yeah. DJ, remember that we made one before?
Yeah.
But I made that one broken and then I made it into this. Okay, so can you hold this right now? Right
Yeah,
now
just
I'm the
hold it.
cameraman. And then
อะไรแม่ตัวนี้ตายหรือเปล่าลูกนี่น่ะทำไมเขา
เขาไม่ move เอง if you scare มัน
DJ,
เดี๋ยวเดี๋ยวมันจะ move
อ๋อ
okay, we're just gonna get the.
oh they're water frogs
No, it's okay. There's a water section right here. DJ, can you help me open it? I don't know how to open it. It's okay. I can just release them inside the pond, right?
yeah
But the pond is pretty small.
how small
Look how small this thing is. It's okay. They can fit. If they can fit inside this bag, they can definitely fit in there.
be
Where?
careful
Actually, I have an idea, DJ. I think. Oh, I can't do
นะ
it.
ช่วยแกะให้หนู
Wait, DJ, DJ, you don't have to. Pina can help.
I already know how
Okay. Can I pick them up or something? Can we pick them up?
I think so if you want
Wait, did the shopkeeper pick them up? Yeah or no?
I don't think so but let's gonna untie
Almost.
oh
Just take the rubber band out. Oh my gosh, the frog's gonna jump out.
jumping
แกะได้ยัง
it's called jumpy
Okay.
I think
I'm
what
just
should be
gonna-
called jumpy
And just the orange one. Oh
now
my
we
God.
have to be very careful because they're just
Okay.
gonna frog out.
Oh my God, I'm terrified. Okay, close it. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. Okay, this is closed. Now we just have to lock it. Okay. Now the frogs
it
are
should be
inside.
fine. Wait.
These frogs are so big. I already have frogs
Look,
in
now
here.
they're moving.
DJ, I already have frogs in here. They live in there.
แม่เปลี่ยนอันนี้
But-
เปลี่ยนอันนี้
This is the bigger one.
We don't. Okay, so now let's move on to the other animal.
Oh, the pea
what
one.
happened? What happened to the eel? Oh, let me see. Did it die? But I know that this one's not dead.
Let's just put it.
It's not dead.
It's not dead, I think.
Wait, DJ. It's okay. But first, if it's still alive but it's really bad condition, we have to set their aquarium up first. So let's quickly make it. Come on, DJ.
Okay, have to get the shoes from the yeah.
No, you don't have to. You don't need to shoot. I'm just making inside this pond. Okay. This is the base.
แม่จะปล่อยลงไปในนั้นเหรอครับ
Shy.
ต้องเติมน้ำไหม
But first,
We have to put fish food.
no, these are just like rocks.
Strip it, didn't we?
แล้วจะเอาน้ำอะไรเติมลงไปลูก
Yeah.
Buy them.
Okay. So let's just get this cup and also collect some sand.
Perfect trick shot.
Let's also collect some sand.
ในไปกินข้าวกันไหมครับแล้วก็มาถ่ายรูปใน
No, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so first, let's get some sand.
Put it inside the base.
This is where they're going to be living for the rest of
Just
their
the bottom.
lives. But I don't.
Cover the whole entire bottom.
No,
but
I
not
don't
too
want to.
much.
แม่อันนี้คุณเยอะมากเลยนะลูกมันไม่สวยแล้วทรายสวยแล้วลูก
Don't. Let's just move it to one side down here. Okay. Now this should pile. That should be enough.
This should be
And let's
enough.
put some of these rocks in.
That looks pretty nice.
Let's just mix it with the sink. Okay, now I've done the main base. But now, let's add in some plants and stuff. Come on.
Let's go inside the bedroom again.
And let's find... Actually, I'm actually going to steal some plants from some aquariums. Should I take this one? Yeah, this one just floats in the water. So this one should be pretty good. It's dripping. DJ, open the door for me. Can you? Hiya! Oh, it's okay. Okay, it's dripping. Okay, let's put it there. Okay,
Let's go
good.
see.
Wait, let's go get some other stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a plant from here.
Look, now they're climbing.
What's climbing?
The flag. They
Oh.
just now switch for.
I'm gonna get one of this. Okay, DJ, got the small plant.
อันนี้พี่นันเห็นนานละ
Oh, say Nan, do it, man. DJ, we have to take out the plants. Okay, Okay.
Now we have to pour a lot, a whole bag.
Now we're pouring a whole bag of rock.
หมดเลยนะ
Now we have to spread them equally.
No, I can do it. And we're just gonna spread it on top of the sand.
Not pretty perfectly, but just enough to cover.
แต่มันไม่ได้ล้างเลยนะ
We just
Just
mix
wash.
it together.
Yeah, this is pretty good now.
Structure.
Now let's put in.
That's a pretty good thing.
Now let's put in the plants.
Should we do some SpongeBob?
What do you need? No. I want it to be like up through a pond. One of those things. I'm gonna collect another thing from this tank. But there's one thing that I don't like. That my hand
ล้าง
is.
มือก่อนลูก
Turtles.
ไม่ต้อง
ทรายมันลงไปในนั้น
Okay, so
Look, the turtles look happy. But this thing looks like evil. Look, the eyes are red.
okay, I got this plant.
Evil.
Now that looks pretty good. DJ, look at this. Yeah, I want to put this thing in. And I got a giant piece of wood to put in.
Niall,
Yeah?
I tried to stick the eel and it breathes air.
What do you mean?
It's like it blows air out of its mouth.
I'm making a jungle.
ซ้ำเสร็จ
It blows air out of its
Oh,
mouth.
DJ, look. There's some green seaweed growing inside this mini tank.
Seaweed.
See?
Now we can transfer it to the big tank.
Well, that's not even a tank.
It's a bowl. Maximized.
That looks pretty good. What else should we put in? Oh, DJ, look what I found.
What?
A shell.
A shell.
There, can you get it?
Snail shell.
No, that is a hermit crab shell, actually. I think.
Very hard.
That looks pretty cool. So that's good.
Okay.
Now, what else should we get? I want this terrarium to be very.
Oh, the eel!
They fell down.
Yeah, they escaped.
They didn't. Like in Nemo, you know, in Nemo. Like, you know in Nemo that happened, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now guys, the eel pond is finished. DJ, we have finished the eel pond.
Oh, they are moving. I get them moving.
Good. But now we'll just have to fill the eel pond up with water. Should we use this?
Yeah.
Well, actually, I'm just gonna put the turtles in here first.
Yeah.
To
Okay.
see what they
Should
look
we
like.
get bag number 1 and bag number 2?
No, bag number 1. This one's for my friend. This one's for Captain.
Okay.
Can you help me open this? Wait, actually, it's okay. Then what? No, I poked a hole, and you can just widen the hole, right? Yeah, and then
It's
pour.
real bad.
Now we can just pour that in here. I'm not even actually. Oh, the water's coming out! Oh my god!
Look, looks evil skeleton.
I'm gonna try to actually hold. Wait!
The evil skeletons.
There's a baby!
Oh, so cute.
So small.
It's so cute, right? It looks like the skeleton even more.
Look at bro. Bro's just chilling on my hand. Okay, now let's make the eel. Let's finish.
Should we
eating
call
the
him
eel.
Chili?
No. Let's call all the red ones Chili. And
Wait, they are like a skeleton.
all the brown. No, I need.
Oh, what's this? A diamond?
It's real,
It's real?
but it's okay. Wait, DJ, can you carry this for me?
Stop it?
Yeah, just go carry this and then pour it in. But gently, okay?
กบเขียวไหน
Into the
สองตัวอยู่ไหนหนูไม่เห็นอ่ะ
กบเขียวมันอยู่ในอันสีชมพูอ่ะมันชอบอยู่ในนั้น
เห็นแค่ตัวเดียวนะ
มันอยู่ข้างๆในเห็นแล้ววันนี้ Okay, now just fill it up with water. No, you have to, and then after you put the water that I bring into the eel pond, okay?
Okay.
This one is the eel pond, okay? Wait, DJ!
That's a bucket type for the water because they can breathe.
Okay, now, DJ, hey, bro. Hey, DJ, put this inside the pond, okay? Inside the eel pond.
You pour.
You can use 2 hands. It's gonna be easier. I'm gonna bring this Halloween bucket.
Put it in the eel pond?
Yeah, pour it. Oh. And then come back, okay? I'm gonna refill it. This takes so long. I'm just gonna finish. Okay. What?
Not even enough.
Really?
Yeah. These are tiny bits.
Okay, DJ, now bring this one.
This too, so we could be extra fast.
Yeah. Just bring this one. This one's a little bit heavier.
No.
Use 2 hands. Use 2 hands. Okay.
It's very wobbly.
Use 2 hands, okay? Now these actually take like so long to fill up. Oh, look at the eels. The eels are chicken. The eels want to live in a new environment. I know that you guys would love
A
it.
little bit better now.
Okay.
I think that's the height of the eel. But
Okay.
they need like this tall, I think.
Oh, I'm just putting it. No, I'm gonna make it like full. Okay?
Okay, make it full. Because they could be by the water anyway.
Yeah.
You got to the top.
If they want, they don't have to. This is my first time actually making a pond for you.
You got to refill.
The water did not even finish. It's okay. This one's
so
bigger.
low. The water-
No, it's okay. This one's actually bigger than that bucket.
Yeah.
Use 2 hands. Okay. When I finish this bucket, I'm gonna go dump in the eels and then we're gonna still continue adding in the water.
Not even close to the top.
Really?
Yeah. It takes a lot of water.
Okay, DJ! Get this now.
I returned the old bucket.
Okay, now when you're bringing that, I'm also gonna bring the eels already.
I waterproof watch.
What? Oh, that's good. Well,
Yeah,
now
so
I'm gonna.
if I accidentally flush my watch, it won't.
Well, now I'm
Yeah,
bringing
like
the
the last
eels
one.
here. Oh, this is good.
Okay.
But don't pour it in too hard like that. Okay?
Okay.
Because, see, now there's a bald spot. Okay, now do you see?
Eels are moving. So.
Put them in, okay?
มันจะใส่อะไรด้วยหรือแค่ปลาไหลอย่างเดียวเหรอ
ใช่
มามาบอกว่าเอาตะภาพใส่ในบ่อบัวด้วยไหม
ไม่เปิดให้ได้ไหม
เอาน้ำอะไรใส่
น้ำกิน
อ๋อ
ไม่ใส่แล้ว
ใส่อีกก็ได้หรือมันน้อยไปไหม
ยัง เดี๋ยวเราจะค่อยเติมอีก
ไม่ได้ต้องตักอันนี้เข้าออกเนี่ยมัน
ไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไรมาบอกปลาไหลมันชอบไปใส่ในที่เลอะๆโอเค she's
มันจะ
opening
เป็น
up
โคลนเอาโคลน
I hope the eels don't escape once someone drops it.
they can't
Wait, put it into this bucket first and then
พี่นางแค่ปลาไหลในนี้ได้ไหม
โอ้ยเทลงไปในบ่อเลยไหม
ไม่แค่ในนี้ oh actually
พี่นางว่าตัวนี้น่าเขาจะตัก
ยัง I'm actually gonna try to hold one oh the eels are so
จับไม่
slimy
ได้หรอกลูกมันลื่นเดี๋ยวพี่นางเทลงไปในนี้ให้
they're very slimy.
อ่ะ
okay wait DJ no I can hold it I can hold
Okay.
this I can oh
Okay,
Look
now
at
we
the
have it. Now we
eel.
have to pour it in gently. Now the eels are almost happy.
okay now DJ go get them more water oh my gosh these eels are so slimy wait this is actually so cool DJ this is actually so cool Hiya. Oh my gosh this pond is actually so cool it's so cool because of the eel oh my gosh how do these eels even survive these eels are like crazy DJ these eels are crazy look at this slowly okay don't do it too hard now the eels are inside I'm holding the head oh the eel's out of the water that is actually so
Oh. That Niall, it's so slimy. I'm gonna beat it.
you already touched one this is an eel if you guys ever wondered what an eel looks like in real life, this is what it does. Ah, they're so slimy and slippery. And everyone, please like and subscribe. This is my second video. Oh my god! This video is gonna be crazy. By the end of the video, it's gonna be crazy up here. Hey DJ.
Buy someone the what?
Oh, look at the frogs. They're just staring at the temple. I call that the temple. The two frogs are staring at it. For some reason. While DJ is adding... Hey, DJ.
I made them all sandy.
It's okay. I can just do this.
Yeah, you can
Oh! I like to push them out of the water like this. DJ, look. Hoppa. Oh my god. These eels are actually.
very hard to take care of, like if you
Wait.
try to take them
Wait. I'm actually gonna catch this one. Okay, got it.
อุ้ย
It's so slimy.
DJ, I think you have to add a little bit more water.
เย็นสุดนอนไหม
Like 2 more buckets?
เย็นสุดไม่หรอก
Yeah.
จะได้สบาย
No.
เดี๋ยว
2 more buckets.
เดี๋ยวหนูทำอันนี้เสร็จหนูต้องไปกินข้าวนะลูก
ยังเดี๋ยวเราจะทำบ้านแต่พัก
แล้วหนูยังไม่หิวเหรอครับ
The eels are actually crazy. I've never had red eels before. I think this is what it's like to be an eel keeper. Oh look! They're getting some air. This is kind of what it's like to own a snake, I think. I think this is what it's like to actually own a snake. Well, I don't own one. I own an eel. Is that crazy or something? I know that many people actually own eels. I have to actually like do this to it. But this is like a freshwater eel. Like one of those supermarket eels. I think this is a supermarket eel. Not sure what species it is. Okay, now that's the last bucket. Quick, quick, run!
You can't. You have to focus.
Okay, be careful. This is actually really heavy. Oh my god.
Sandstorm.
Okay, DJ, hold it. Don't put it back. Okay, just put it back. I'm gonna dust them up. I never actually wanted to ever have animals this exotic, but now I do. Look what I'm doing to this eel.
It's going to like
Like-
this more.
These are even like snakes.
Yeah, it's like snakes, but it cannot bite us.
Oh my
right?
gosh.
It cannot bite us.
Well,
right?
they can.
You can?
Yeah, but they don't want to. They literally actually look like a snake.
Are they slimy?
A little bit.
And they
DJ, do you want to touch it?
Because they like to slip around.
Do you want to touch it? It's not actually dangerous. It's actually really fun hanging out with them. Look at, they like to do this. Hiya. And I like to do this. Hiya. They're so slimy.
They're slimy.
I'm so scared that they'll... This one likes to pretend to be dead.
It's so tickle.
Oh, look at this, look at this.
Tickle guy.
Oh my god. This is their land bit if they ever want to actually... Whoa, that is so cool. Okay.
This is called slimy.
I think these eels will actually like being in water a lot more than being on land.
What should we name this guy?
What's... Oh,
This one is slimy.
well, how about this one? What should I name him? This one's the lighter one. Yeah, the lighter one. Name suggestions in the comments. Hey, come back, come back!
It's like an infinite treadmill.
These are actually super cool to have as pets. If you guys want one,
We will put the link in the description below.
no. But DJ, actually give me one more full bucket, okay? One full bucket.
It's so slimy.
No, okay, DJ, just give me one full bucket. No, first give me one full bucket of water, okay? One. DJ,
I just wash my hands.
and then you give me only one.
Give the slime water back.
Oh, look at this. I have aquatic turtles.
Do you want the
Sasha.
second stage? Like, what is this? What is
What?
this?
What do you mean? What is this? What is this? Like, my turtles are really aggressive for some reason. And I have like a billion of them.
I think I added way too much again.
No, it's okay. That's like gonna be the last one, okay? I'm holding its foot. I'm capturing all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a moment. 2, 3, 4.
I don't like the sandstorm. I think they
DJ, that's enough, okay? That's enough water right now. Yeah, this is good.
and everything. Everything is
Okay, this is actually really cool. If you guys really want pet eels, try buying them in a Asian food market or at a what? a temple.
It's temple in Thailand. It's called Hoi Ai.
But some other countries also have the same thing, and there's like big ponds and like
So if your country has this,
these are.
please buy them if you want to.
If you want to have pet eels like this,
It's so cool.
buy them. But he does not have any eels.
Yeah.
But do you have a YouTube channel, DJ? I'm holding both of them. But do you have a YouTube channel?
I have my own YouTube channel.
What?
I don't have my own YouTube channel.
But he is gonna make one. What are you gonna call it? DJ, what are you gonna call it?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
So slimy? It's kind of slippery and ticklish as
Oh,
well.
hell no.
It's like, oh, let's get the longer one.
What do you mean the longer? No. Let's actually go make the other animals thing.
Yeah, because we are focusing way
On the eels.
Yeah.
But let's also focus some on the frogs.
Where are the frogs?
Oh, look at this.
One frog, I think, climbed into that ice cream house.
No, there's two. There's two. The orange one is right there.
Hiding? Oh, yeah. But you cannot see it from this view.
You know, inside that orange house, there are other two frogs. Do you want me to show you?
Yeah? But the frogs I got might...
They're a different type. Look at this. They're even moths. See? Oh. Okay, that's okay. That moth is there. Okay, come out. Come out, Froggy. Which one of you are gonna come out? Any. Come on. There. I have another frog. Meet each other, guys. There's another one in here.
It's by the ecosystem now.
See? There's another
It's by
one.
the ecosystem now.
Yeah, spray it. And also spray my hand. It's covered in dirt.
I'm
Look.
just gonna spray everything.
Look at this frog. And I'm actually gonna try
It's
to
gonna
hold
have
one.
balance. Oh.
Oh, it's okay, DJ. Just keep spraying. Okay, stop now.
I'll just spray it thoroughly.
Okay, stop. Okay. Now, this ecosystem is fully missing.
Okay, now you have to wash your hands.
Well,
You
don't
have to spray it off first.
No,
I'm
don't.
gonna help you.
No, don't. Wait. Let's just pour this one. And now let's actually focus on what we're doing now.
What about our turtles?
Now let's focus on these boys.
They have red eyes.
Okay, now there are like a couple in here, but I'm gonna release one of them inside. DJ, I'm gonna release one of them inside one of these two ones. No, don't. No, DJ. I'm gonna release them. Which one should I put them in? This one or that one?
I think this would be perfect for one turtle and this would be perfect for one
No, I'm
turtle.
only gonna put one turtle inside one.
Okay,
Because, you see, there are 3 of these turtles, and then there's also gonna be 3.
okay, I think they should put it here.
Then, can you open it? Just push. Push it? Just push it up, like that. Okay. Now let's put the turtle inside.
Okay.
No, only one. Okay.
Only one.
Look at that. He's like, oh no, where am I? He's like, this water's so deep.
This one is so deep. I don't want to be here. But they still have to breathe, you know.
No, it's okay. There's no oxygen. See?
Oh, so just running through the
Yeah,
water.
and it's also filtered. See? He's getting comfortable now.
He is like trying to leave the other world. He's just trying to escape, like by bare hand. Use the.
He's tiny.
Yeah, he's a baby skeleton turtle.
No, it's the same orange one. No, soon he'll look like these ones. Soon he'll look
Which-
like that.
Yeah, which looks like it has red eyes.
Oh! Well, this one, what color eyes does this one have? Black. This guy
Good thing
has
it's
black
not
eyes.
creepy. I want to test out this one.
Wait, what even rock is this? But first, let's make the whole ecosystem.
I see them open their mouth.
Okay, DJ. Okay, now let's watch their enclosure.
Niall, it's ticklish doing this.
Just change it to normal one.
And then just spray it.
Now I just gotta wash this.
It's a real diamond. It looks more than glass and everything.
But it's real.
Why does it have scratches?
What? I did it.
Oh. So you tried to break the diamond.
No, I tried to smash it because
Diamonds
diamonds
are only leaves and feel moss.
you know, like diamonds, people say that diamonds are like unbreakable.
Yeah, but it's actually a way how to break them, right?
Yeah. But they're so strong, right?
Yeah. Like the molten drop of glass. Like
Yeah.
the one, the teal blueprint.
Okay, now let's start making the turtles enclosure. Oh! So the first thing we gotta do is get some sand. The music. Cue the music. Step 1, sand. They need deep sand.
Let us shake it.
They need deep sand. Okay.
Yeah, they do need them.
Okay, let's just get the deep sand. Oh, DJ, that's good. Okay.
Perfect.
Now, let's bring this inside. Okay. Where should we put it? It has to be on this side because I'm gonna put an oxygen. Okay, here?
Yeah.
Just move this one, can you? Can you help me move that?
Transfer that?
Yeah. Oh. No.
What is this?
That's fish food. I'm also gonna give some of that for the eels. Okay, guys. So now, moving on to the what next? Decorations. Should I call these turtles a decoration? You know, one of these turtles actually bit this turtle.
Actually,
Yeah,
they really cannot bite.
they can. One of
Tickle.
them,
It tickles.
one of them actually has bit
It
my
tickles,
hand before.
Dial. They are so ready.
One of them has actually bit my hand before. Roar, I'm a dinosaur. Okay, DJ, stop. DJ, stop playing around. Let's stop playing around. Doom, doom, doom. Okay, now we
Anglerfish.
an anglerfish, yeah. Just kidding. Okay, now let's get something from this tank.
Let's spray the ecosystem in here.
Ah, no, spray from here, the hose.
Oh.
Okay, now I got this thing. Okay, I just got one plant. This is pretty good. Drop, and I'm done. Just kidding!
Yeah, because why would we build this? But without putting the turtles inside.
No, that's gonna be for the end. Okay, now I'm done making the ecosystem. But now, let's give the turtles some sand. Let's see how they react to some sand. I don't think they know what sand even is. But it's okay. DJ, come on. Come on. Now, let's find some stuff to put inside that enclosure.
Should we get sea monkey thing?
Oh, these turtles will actually be perfect for fake decorations, right?
Yeah.
Which one?
Oh,
Yeah.
this thing looks great.
No,
Wait,
this one.
should-
This one. I think they'll like this one.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Now that's actually going to be all. Oh. I'm putting everything in the back.
Yeah, so the turtles can swim on the forward part. But
Yeah.
did you know that this has lots of ants?
No, it's okay. It's okay. Ants are common here. Okay. Now
Let's put in the turtles.
Let's just put in boink.
There now. Now they're sticking.
Oh, bro's sticking. Wait, we have to put in water. Why didn't we put it? Wait, you actually?
I sprayed up with water.
No, don't. Why are you spraying? That's not even drinking water. Why are you always playing around?
I think they're
Okay, they're not. You just have to add water and then they'll live. DJ, just pour this tub in. Pour this tub quick. You're gonna die in 3. Just put slowly. Okay.
Let the water smoothen you, turtles. There's a problem. The plant.
What?
Oh, it's okay.
The plant floats.
No. It's not. It does not float. Now this turtle's trying to be sneaky.
Oh no, this one does float. It's okay. We don't actually have to add it, right? Yeah, let's just take him out. And simulate rainfall.
What should we add to simulate rainfall, Kyle?
What if we had this cool plant instead of that plant? I think this one will still float. Oh, wait, it doesn't float. Okay, more water. Toot. You're like, oh no. DJ, I have no idea where the other turtles even are. Wait, DJ, look what the turtles like to do. DJ, I found something that the turtles actually really like to do. DJ, I found something that the turtles like to do.
What?
This. Dun, 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 ding, dun, dee, dun, dee, dun.
They actually like to do that.
He's hiding.
Sandstorm!
And Bro's like, I'm flying.
I think that should be enough.
Yeah, this is enough. Now let's just cover the sand back up.
And let the turtles hide.
And hold one turtle. Wait, look how long its neck is.
Oh, it could extend its neck.
Its neck is so long.
The normal length is just
Oh.
that normal length.
Let's just put him here.
I think we should add some more, a little bit.
No, this is enough. This is already a lot of water.
Just spray them with water.
No, don't. Okay, so now we have to add the oxygen pump.
Yeah.
Luckily, I have a spare one.
Oxygen tube.
Luckily, I have a spare one that we
Oh,
can
we
use.
don't actually need to do the oxygen.
Well, I think we do because these turtles actually want to come up for air, but I want the turtles to actually like stay in the water.
Okay, let's
No, I'm gonna do it.
put it in real location.
I'm gonna put it.
Oh,
Okay.
where's the oxygen then? We just
Um,
do intensely.
Guys, I'm actually blowing it. Look at this. Okay, so now it's actually connected to the thing that makes it work.
Okay.
Wait, I can do it, guys.
No, DJ, I can do it.
So,
We technically connect these with this.
then I just do that.
No. It fell off.
my gosh. This is so embarrassing. Just kidding. Wait, I can't even. DJ, can you help me? Like push this. Okay, now how DJ's trying. Wait, how is this already working? How is this thing working already? DJ, this thing's already working. Yeah, that's tight enough.
Okay.
Yeah, now the air thing. Yeah, I can.
Okay,
feel
now
it.
we have to put this back.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, put it at the back. Like that. Okay, so
What?
we've done these guys tank.
Now we don't have to go. Wait, I realized the result. Niall, remember when you blow
Look at
this
that.
more oxygen? Now it's less oxygen.
It's okay, it still works.
Yes, it works.
Okay, now let's make an aquarium kit for Captain.
First of all, we have to add clean water.
No, a kit.
Okay.
So first, we'll have to get a bag or lots of sand, right?
yeah,
that
let's
has
go
to be Wait, I'm actually gonna use this container. But only, wait. Okay, I am gonna use this container. But first, we have to dump this away.